Alright, keyboard enthusiasts, check this out, the Keychron Q6. This thing is a beast. A full-sized, fully aluminum keyboard that feels incredibly premium. Like seriously, the weight and build quality are top-notch. If you're tired of flimsy plastic keyboards, this is a serious upgrade. Now, the big selling point for me is the customization. It's hot swappable, meaning you can easily pop out the switches and put in different ones without any soldering. It comes with Keychron G Pro Reds, which are nice and linear, but if you prefer a clicky or tactile feel, you can swap them out in seconds. Huge plus for anyone who likes to tinker. And the software? QMK and VIA compatible. This is where the magic happens. You can remap any key, create macros, customize the RGB lighting. The possibilities are endless. Want to turn your caps lock into a dedicated emoji key? Go for it. The knob version I'm checking out here is even more fun. You can program it to control volume, scroll through documents, whatever you want. Keychron really nailed the typing experience on this one. They use a double gasket design, which basically means there's extra cushioning inside to dampen the sound and give you a softer, more satisfying typing feel. It's not mushy though, there's still a nice thock to the keys. Plus, the double-shot PBD keycaps are super durable and feel great under your fingers. They won't shine up over time like cheaper ABS plastic. The south-facing RGB lighting is a smart touch. It shines through the keycaps beautifully and doesn't get blocked if you decide to swap in different keycap sets. And speaking of keycaps, the OSA profile they've used is really comfortable. It's kind of a sculpted profile that fits the natural curve of your fingers. So, who is this keyboard for? Honestly, anyone who wants a premium typing experience. It's great for gaming, coding, writing, anything really. The full-size layout is perfect for productivity, and the customization options make it a dream for enthusiasts. It's not the cheapest keyboard out there, but you definitely get what you pay for. If you're looking for a solid, well-built, and highly customizable keyboard, the Keychron Q6 is definitely worth checking out. Especially this knob version, it adds a whole extra layer of control and convenience. Let me know in the comments what you think.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.